What's up, what's good, and what's happening, everyone? I'm Sharath from The Only Car Guy, and today we are going to talk about the top 3 most value for money cars you can buy in 2020. Now, why did I choose this particular topic? This is not a topic which is very uncommon, right? If you go to YouTube or Google, there'll be a lot of medias where they would have reviewed and put a lot of information about the most value for money cars. But let's say there are a lot of paid medias where they establish saying that these are the value for money cars. But this video is totally what I researched, and I analyzed that these 3 are the top value for money cars you can buy in 2020. So make sure you guys watch the video till the end and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you get all my videos. Now, I've divided them into 3 categories. One is under 6 lakh, the other one is under 8 lakh, the other one is under 10 lakh. The first car on our list is the none other than the car which has scored the 5-star rating in Global NCAP, and it is the only premium hatchback to have the 5-star. It is the Tata Altroz. But I'm not talking about the XZ or XM or XZ optional pack. I'm talking about the XE Rhythm Pack. Tata Altroz XE Rhythm Pack is a base model, but it gets all the features and individual needs while driving a car. Tata Altroz XE Rhythm Pack. First of all, it gets all the safety features like ABS, EBD, CSC, corner stability control, dual front airbags, rear parking sensors, and the 5-star rating Global NCAP. You guys would have known that the Tata Altroz is built under the Alpha architecture platform. That is a world-class platform which gives a lot of opportunities for Tata to build much better and safer cars. Now to talk about Tata Altroz, the driving dynamics of the Tata Altroz is just spot on. It just sails over all the bad roads. And the engine, 1.2 liter petrol engine which produces 86 PS and 113 Newton meters of torque. It is not the class leading, I would say, but it is adequate for all the Indians and for the Indian roads. The Tata Altroz XE base variant doesn't get any music system with it, but by adding the Rhythm Pack to our XE variant, you get a 3.5-inch music system with 4 speakers which is powered by Harman. The talking point of this car is the price point. The price, ex-showroom price of this car is just 5.54 lakh rupees, and if you add registration and insurance, it will be around 6.5 lakh. And for that money, this car is a total bonkers. So if you're in the market to buy a car which is worth under 6.5 lakhs, I want you guys to check out the XE Rhythm Pack. Car number 2, Skoda Rapid Rider version. If I would have had money right now, that is the car I would pick for an unbelievable price of 7.49 lakhs ex-showroom. Now, as per my list, this is the most value for money car you could buy for 7.49 lakhs in 2020. For that money, you get a bigger car. It's a C-segment car with a bigger boot, more space inside, and a bigger fuel tank which will help you on longer rides. It gets all the safety features like ABS, EBD, dual front airbags, and reverse parking sensors. It gets a 2-din music system and a tilt and telescopic steering adjust, which is even very rare to see in the cars the class above. There are 2 talking points of this car. One is the automatic climate control which we get in the base variant, and it is the new 1 liter TSI turbocharged petrol engine which produces 108 PS and 175 Newton meters of torque. That engine has a hell lot of punch and is more fun to drive. The Skoda's build quality and the driving dynamics is the best in the class, and moreover, Skoda provides 6 years of warranty which proves the quality of the car. Last but not the least, it is Mahindra's XUV 300 W4 base variant. It is a car which has received the highest points in a Global NCAP crash test for an Indian manufacturer. It gets all the safety features like ABS, EBD, dual front airbags, rear parking sensors. The talking point of this car is its engine, the 1.2 liter petrol engine which is turbocharged and produces 110 bhp and 200 Newton meters of torque. I guess the torque is a hell lot more for a compact SUV. The driving dynamics of this car is just spot on, and it feels so planted on highway speeds. And for an unbelievable price of 8.3 lakhs ex-showroom price, I guess this is the best car you could get for that price point. Now to end this video, let me just jot it down again. The first car is the Tata Altroz XE Rhythm Pack. The second one is the Skoda Rapid Rider version, and the third one is Mahindra's XUV 300 W4 base variant. I do not say these are the only value for money cars. This is as per my own research, but there are people out there who have their own opinions. I'll leave it out to them. Now you guys tell me in the comment section which is the most value for money car you could buy in 2020. I hope this video was quite informative for you all to know about the most value for money cars of 2020. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. I wish you guys all the very best, happy motoring and see you next time.